Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you that can you put Instagram share list on order. If you are using Instagram and you want to put your Instagram share list in order, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your Instagram app, and here you can see that whenever you tap on this share option, you will get different share options here. So let's see how can you customize or put it order in there. So basically there is no any official way to put it and order or customize your share list, because Instagram haven't any update to do this. But you have a simple way that if you want to make any person and top of your share list, so you have to share some post with the persons. So once you have shared any post with the person, for example, I have shared a post to this one. So after sharing up to 5 or 4 posts, so it will remain on the top in my share list. So in this way you can easily put Instagram share list in order. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.